Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn off blur effects on this device. Simply go to the settings, scroll down, tap on the option accessibility, tap on vision enhancements. Simply scroll down. Here you can see the option reduce transparency and blur. Turn on this one. You can see reduce visual effects on dialogues and menus to make them easier to see. After enable this one, if you go to the quick settings or the notification panel, if I disable this one, if you go to the notification panel, now you can see it's completely disabled, right? Let me show you. If you enable this one, if you go to the notification panel, you can see the transparency you can see. Actually, these settings make menus and pop-up clearer and easier to read by reducing blurry background effect. The background you can see, right, after enable this one. So simply in this way we can turn off blur effect on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.